This project, I would say, is like one of the coolest projects I've had the chance to work on with Pacific. The designer, McKinley, as well as the owner, Jess, were like heavily involved, and there was a lot of collaboration, making sure that we got all the materials just right, making sure that every little detail in the space just really fit. So a lot of thought and care went into deciding which wood was going to be used for Bam Bam. We landed on cherry, being a bit more of like that retro wood. It'll darken up and richen up over time. One of my favorite pieces is probably just the main bulkhead that's made to look like it's floating, that has speakers built into it.
Something you don't see in that millwork package is the structural engineering. The design just called for a suspended bulkhead. In reality, it had to be supported somehow. So we integrated a HSS steel structure behind everything. Completely opposite to that is this high gloss blue retail display.
It is built to look like one big piece, but we had to build it modular, and it's also quite fragile.
It was actually so heavy that in the shop we used a forklift to put it together. And then once on site, we had to recreate what we had done in the shop once it's all finished in high gloss, but with obviously no forklift.
So one feature piece that was challenging for us to figure out is there was a structural square column running through the space. McKinley wanted to hide that, so they came up with this design to wrap it with a circular wood column. We went through just trying to figure out how we're going to run wiring, but also keep the design slim enough so that it doesn't look too bulky in the space.
The whole space was kind of designed holistically, essentially one large piece of furniture, kind of like an exploded 1970s living room.
When you bring people together who are really wanting to excel and bring a vision to life, we just get fired up. And I think the team just did an excellent job delivering that.
Now, we're not just supplying millwork, we're establishing relationships and communication that will go forward in time. We're going to be able to refer back to this job, we're going to be able to learn from this job for future projects together. I would say definitely pop into Bam Bam. There's a vibe, definitely a vibe.